Hey everybody, it's Recon Man back with another repair video. Got us a 2015 Chevy Trax with a steering wheel that's pretty chewed up. I'm not exactly sure which method I'm going to use to repair this. I'm going to start by getting it sanded and then evaluating it. I will bring you back in after I've got the sanding done. See you in a second. Okay, we got her sanded up. It was a combination of 220 and then 400 after the 220. Got to be really careful. These steering wheels don't have a lot of material on them. You're dealing with a millimeter or two, maybe 2 millimeters of material tops. I'm going to get it cleaned up and prepped, and I'll come back with the compound I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use a little different compound on this repair. Be something interesting for you guys to see. Back in a second. Alright, we're back. We got her sanded, prepped and cleaned. We're going to be using some SEM clear chip guard. I use this on a lot of different repairs. It works really good. I use it on hard plastic and in steering wheels that are really bad that I can't sand enough to feather them out. I do the same thing. I use the chip guard. So let's get some of this on there. I do it one-handed and hold the camera. And yes, we got 40-mile-an-hour winds, tornadoes and hurricanes and whatever coming later. Dang it. Gotta shut the door before the wind blows the towels on my product. I'm gonna let that set up. I'll bring you back here in a few minutes. She's dried. This stuff dries up pretty quick. Just checking for the edges. Man, this wind. Crazy. Now I'm going to hit it with another coat.
Just bring in your W2.
Oh glory. Whipping in the wind. Nice. Nice. This wind is horrible. I think that's going to be it. We're going to let that dry up. Back in a second. Okay. Hopefully the audio is not too bad with all this wind noise, but it's blowing like crazy. My bad. This doesn't look too bad. What I'm going to do is sand it. Do a light sand on it. Sand off this overspray that you don't want there at all. To make that smooth, and then a light sand over this to help smooth things out, level it out. And then I'm going to shoot it. I'm not going to show the shoot of the die because of the wind. It's a little bit of a hassle. But what I will do is sand it, spray it, and then bring you back for the finished product. See you in 5. We got her sanded up. feeling really good. Let's hope it looks as good as it feels. Well, a little bit of overspray right there I missed. Not used to holding the camera and trying to work with one hand. There we go. Let's get this thing sprayed. I'll bring you back in a couple minutes. See ya. Back with the finished product on the 2015 Chevy Trax. That steering wheel, compared to the way it looked when we started, that looks a lot better. It's not perfect, especially in HD. You can still see some flaws. I think she's looking pretty good. That'll do it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.